Hello, in this video I will show you how to do a hard reset through settings on Motorola Moto G54. So you have to start with opening your settings and now scroll down and click on System and now click on Reset Options and now select Erase All Data Factory Reset. Now click on Erase All Data and now click again on Erase All Data. And now your device is being reverted back to factory settings, so it will take a while. And as you can see, your device is back to factory settings and you have to do setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.